Right, and this is their toilet system. If you sit there, you get a full view. And look what a surprise we found on the way in. The little one sitting there, obviously, there's some lights here in the evening, occasionally, and plenty of food there. And the toilet go in, that's what you find on the toilet. I can't do it now.
So we are at Welcome into the Wild. It's still a Kasabushi um, campsite. Not as glamorous as the previous one, but this is not hard camping, is it, Renier?
No.
We've seen hard. So,
Civilized.
civilized camping.
Civilized wild.
Civilized wild. So Renier has already seen his first frog. Renier is on a frog mission. So that's his first one that he saw. It's a very sweet one. It's interesting, I thought they have skins that need to be kept moist, but apparently not. And then there's another one. Funny little shapes, isn't it? I won't poke it. So that's number 2. So we'll see if we can find number 3. So this is, oh, sorry Renier.
That's the view.
That's the view. Renier is always very impressed if a toilet has a view. So there's a view for a toilet. Okay, let me show you the rest. It is, okay, so we could, yeah, once again park. We are busy making a stew for tonight. So when we earlier display space, we make stews and stuff like that because half of it gets frozen for the next time. But then if we've had so much wood from Malala that we still we're carrying it around now. We still have no idea how much wood is wood. We not used to barbecuing on or with wood, so we always think you need heaps, but apparently not. Now this is the hot water cylinder for tonight. It's a prototype of a donkey. There's a big pot of water, and you're going to make a bit of coals underneath, and it's going to heat the pot, and then you're going to pop it. That's a pulley system, so you're going to lower that, put the water in there, probably with some, not too hot, and hoist it up. They've put some cold water there for us as well, and then the idea is that you just open your shower going from the top, and I'm definitely going to have a go with it. Yeah. And then the hand wash basin is another tin with a tap and water in there. And once again, yeah, it's a private camp in Kafue National Park. Lovely. And Kasabushi. Kasabushi means Cape, or not means, it is named after an otter, the Cape clawless otter, because that was the first animal they saw when they discovered this campsite. And this was in the good old days of 2011. Hi guys, so it's sundowner time, it's about 5 o'clock, and just below our campsite we found this little beach on the river, but it's quite steep, and I don't see any suspicious looking locks. And our river puppies are over there, but they're very shy. They were blowing bubbles and continuing till they saw us. They're very, very, very sweet. So sundowner time, nice gin and tonic. Can't resist this. So we changed positions. We were sitting there, but it's getting really shady there. And so we just moved to another little beach, a bigger river. Renier, is this the Kafue River? Okay, lucky guess. We're in Kafue National Park and on the banks of a Kafue River. But look how strong this river is flowing, eh? River puppies are gone. They're just somewhere. Promise you I'll show them if I see them. But it's big. You can see there, bit of a splash, but a quiet splash. I did tell you they're very social animals, so they're continuously calling out to each other. Hi guys, there's my river puppies. I call them puppies because they play like dogs. I think it's because they're buoyant and they just really like to nuzzle each other, bother each other, go on with like that. Now this one, they talk to each other. I don't know if you heard that. So this one is slowly getting closer. They don't eat meat and I'm not in its way, so I'm just sitting quietly. Okay, guys, we changed our position because we made them very nervous. And I'm just whispering because they're very, very unsure about these ones that's sitting here. But they are very close to the, what do you call it? The shore. The shore now. Riverbank. I'll see if I would surface. But sometimes when I just move or speak, they disappear for a long time. Let's see if I come out. Got them